365. Who is this?
Ma'am, G1.
G1. Okay. Is the screen is visible to you? Is it visible? Screen.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Screen. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Bhimesh, Hanumo. Good morning,
Good morning,
everyone.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, we'll wait for 5 minutes, 5 to 4 minutes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Arvind, Vinay, Bharadwaj. Hi, everyone. Bharadwaj. Actually, here there is no video facility. Am I audible? Let's start. Or should I wait for another 2-3 minutes? Okay, we'll start. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So myself, Travanti, as you all know me, I came in the last semester for engineering workshop, right? So, so this subject thermodynamics I am dealing this semester. So here are some conditions. So you all students should have to be here before 10, you know, not after 10. And if you have any doubt between the session, raise your hand. Okay? Or you can message me in the chat box. So these are some rules, and attendance will be taken at the end of the session. Or CR is CR present?
Yes, ma'am.
Dimesh.
Dimesh? No, I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
CR, I forgot
Yes,
his
ma'am.
name.
Present, ma'am.
Uh,
Shiva, ma'am.
Shiva.
Yeah,
Shiva.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
You are
after the
I'm
session,
there.
you just give me the numbers of the students who are present in the session. Okay?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
You just note down the names.
Okay.
Okay?
I'll take the screenshot.
Okay. So let's start the thermodynamics part. So you all know this is the second year first semester subject thermodynamics. So these are the two subjects you can note down, PK Nag and Yunus Sinjal. These are the two books you can refer to if you have any doubt in the subject. Very good books. Okay. I will be sharing the PPT after the session also. If you want, you can note down here itself. Engineering Thermodynamics by PK Nag and Thermodynamics and Engineering Approach, Yunus Sinjal. Okay.
Ma'am, you are not sharing any screen on
Okay,
this.
wait. I'm admitting Shiva 350 just now. Is it visible right now?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
One second.
No.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Reference engineering thermodynamics.
Okay, these are the two books you can refer to. Right. I will be admitting the students in between the session. Next. Okay. So what is actually thermodynamics? So actually science, from the science stream, these are physics, chemistry, all these came. So in the physics branch, there is thermodynamics is there. So thermodynamics is a branch of physics which deals with equilibrium, energy, and its transformation. Actually, energy is transmitting from one system to another system. So what is the system? I will be explaining later. So equilibrium means there is no disturbance in the system. Okay. For those systems, we are studying the energy analysis. Okay. How the energy is converting from one form to another form. And there are four laws. Okay. Zeroth law, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, and third law of thermodynamics. These are the four laws. Okay, just read it. This paragraph. Thermodynamics is concerned with the amount of heat transfer as a system undergoes a process from one equilibrium state to another. So what is our motto? Actually, you have to use the energy in order to get the requirement. You have to get your requirement, right? Suppose IC engine is there, engine, uh, car engine or bike engine, anyone. You take that engine. What you will do? You just fuel it, right? Petrol or diesel. From that, you have to get required output. What is the required output? The bike must move or the car must move at a rated speed, right? Okay, getting my point. Okay, so thermodynamics is nothing but how the energy you have to get, how much energy you have to need, you needed in order to get the required output. Okay, see here. Simply tell us how much heat must be transferred to realize a specific change of state to satisfy the conservation of energy principle. So this is the conservation of energy principle will be studied in first law of thermodynamics. Okay. So what is zeroth law of thermodynamics? Uh, there is an example called thermometer. Thermometer works on the principle of zeroth law. Okay. Yes. So what is thermodynamics? Just read it. Everyone.
The branch of the physics which deals with
That
equilibrium,
deals with
energy and its transformation and the laws governing its
its
transformation.
transformation. In this definition, whole thermodynamics is there. Okay, equilibrium is one part, energy transformation is one part, and the laws governing its transformation is another part. This whole three comprises of thermodynamics. Okay, there is a difference between thermodynamics and engineering thermodynamics. There is a small difference. Can you guess that? What is the difference between thermodynamics and engineering thermodynamics? Any guesses? Anyone?
Actual thermodynamics uses in chemical reactions also. In chemistry
Actually,
also it will be.
chemistry,
Thermo in thermodynamics uses in chemistry also chemical reactions
chemical
to transfer
reactions.
the heat energy.
In inter you have studied na thermodynamics.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so though that is the basic
In
things you were studying there, but here engineering thermodynamics is just a small difference is there. See here, the application of basic thermodynamics for the solution of engineering problems. So what are the engineering problems? Whenever there is a problem, you will be looking for a solution, right? Whenever you face a problem, you just go for a solution. So solution is basic thermodynamics. Problem is engineering problem. So what are the engineering problems you will be facing? Problem is nothing but is a requirement. So what are the requirements nowadays?
uh,
General requirements using energy.
energy
Hmm. Anything, even in your home appliances also you can observe some things.
energy to run a machine. Some
Energy.
energy is required.
What kind of machines? For example,
Uh, Motors. Uh,
motors, motors.
some big scale machines in industries.
Mhm.
Machines in the industries.
Machines. Yeah, in your home appliances, pressure cooker is there, no? Pressure cooker,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
Air
that
conditioners.
that is a that is our requirement. For that, we have found out one solution. So how to cook the food less time? That is our requirement, right?
yeah.
Okay. Whoever has done this, please remove uh, these your graphs. Is it visible? This. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Please don't write anything on the screen. The problem is there here. Is it visible now?
No, man.
No, right? Yeah. Vinay Babu, stop playing with that. Right. So the problem is there. So solution is basic thermodynamics. Okay. So there are few main branches in thermodynamics. That is equilibrium thermodynamics, chemical thermodynamics, and non-equilibrium thermodynamics. So these are the main branches. You have to remember, but not with the examination point of view, just for your idea. So where it is come thermodynamics, what is the root come, okay? So in equilibrium thermodynamics, two branches are there, classical and statistical, okay? So this is our main focus, classical thermodynamics. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, just
Visible, ma'am.
note
Yeah.
down these points. Equilibrium thermodynamics. Under equilibrium thermodynamics, two branches are there, classical and statistical. Our main focus is only classical thermodynamics. So you will be knowing what is classical, what is statistical thermodynamics. This is important. The difference between classical and statistical. Just know the difference. That's it. See, this is unit 1. I just assigned lesson 1 in 3 periods. So these are the topics: thermodynamic system, what is surrounding, what is boundary, what is universe. Okay. Universe means not in Europe, in that universe. In this situation, it is different. Okay.
Universe.
The definition of surrounding is also different. What is system? What is boundary? I will be explaining all this, and control volume. These are the topics in Unit 1. I have made 4 lessons, and under lesson 1, these are the topics. Okay. Just glance, have a glance. And these are the important topics: thermodynamic equilibrium, what is concept of continuum. Okay, have you seen this slide?
Yeah, ma'am. Seeing unit 1.
Okay, just have a look. That's it. Lesson 1, these are the topics. We will require 3 periods. Okay, and I will be sharing lesson 2 also. This is the lesson 2. It will require 4 periods. Various non-flow processes, properties, end states, heat and work transfer, irreversible process, causes of irreversibility, okay, energy in state and in transition, types, displacement, and other forms of work. You know all this, right? Work, you know, heat, you know, right? Displacement work, you know, and from that you will be having in a different view. You will be studying the different types of process, non-flow process, okay, and this is the point function and path function. Okay, have a look. Lesson 2. In unit 2 itself, this is the lesson 2. Okay, and this is lesson 3, 3 periods. Oh, right, zeroth law of thermodynamics. There are 4 laws now. First one, zeroth law of thermodynamics has come here. Concept of temperature. So from the zeroth law of thermodynamics, concept of temperature will come. Okay, and there are different reference points. Okay, principle of thermometry. Thermometer is there now. It will be used to measure the temperature. You all know, right? Nobody knows thermometer.
Yeah, ma'am.
No, madam.
You know. So thermometer works on the principle of zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay.
Uh,
And next, constant volume gas thermometer, scales of temperature. Okay, before 1954, there is one scale to measure temperature. After 1954, another scale has come. Okay, and ideal gas scale. Next, Joule experiment. So this is a lesson 3. It requires 3 periods. Just have a look. Next, last one is lesson 4. So this is a lesson 4. So in lesson 4, you will be studying first law of thermodynamics. And first law of thermodynamics applied to a process, applied to a flow system, steady flow energy equation.
Huh?
Okay. Next, throttling and free expansion process and flow process. So this
Okay, Poira.
concludes the first unit. So these are the topics you will be studying in unit 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Let's go to right. Before knowing thermodynamic system surrounding boundary universe, you need to know classical thermodynamics and statistical thermodynamics. Okay, that is very important. So these are the differences. So what is classical thermodynamics? So just You just take a system. System means in a room there are number of air molecules, right? In your room also there are number of millions of air particles are there. Agree or not? Hmm? Agree or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want to calculate pressure in your room, how you will calculate pressure? If you want to calculate pressure in a room, how you will calculate? Maybe you will be taking all the air molecules and counting the how many molecules are there, how they are colliding with the wall. By that manner, will you calculate taking the consideration of all the particles? Is it possible for you counting all the particles? Is it possible? My question to you, is it possible for you to calculate pressure exerted by each molecule on the wall?
No, ma'am.
Even for a intelligent student also, is it possible? Any clue?
No,
Hmm?
no, madam.
No,
No, ma'am.
it is not possible, right? So for that,
Yes, ma'am.
advanced mathematical tools are required. So that is the study of statistical thermodynamics. Now you get it. Statistical thermodynamics means you will calculate each and every property of the given molecules. That is statistical thermodynamics. That is very difficult, right? In fact, it is very difficult. Agree or not?
Agree, ma'am.
Yes. In classical thermodynamics, you are taking a system. In a room, you take a region of space. Okay, a region of space you take and average all the values. Average all the values of properties. You just don't go at the molecular level. Okay, add all the values, average it, then you will be studying classical thermodynamics. Okay, classical thermodynamics means macro level, statistical means micro level. Once again, classical thermodynamics means macroscopic approach, right? Statistical thermodynamics means microscopic approach. Just you tell me, what is classical thermodynamics?
Macroscopic thermodynamics.
Macroscopic approach and approach, and we will go by macroscopic approach, right? It is also called as macroscopic thermodynamics. How macroscopic, you understood, right? Classical thermodynamics means,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. I will give one example for that, how we will be calculating average values of all the particles. Okay, next point you
Okay,
study.
ma'am.
In this approach, classical thermodynamics, in this approach, certain quantity of matter is considered without taking into account the events occurring at the molecular level. So we are not taking the events occurring at the molecular level, right? Just average all the values of the properties. Okay, what are the properties, we'll study later. For timing, just remember this. And in statistical thermodynamics, what you do, you will calculate each and every property of the each and every molecule, right? So from the microscopic point of view, matter is composed of a large number of small molecules and atoms. Okay, and right, this approach doesn't require the knowledge of the behavior of individual molecules to study thermodynamics. Classical thermodynamics learn చేస్తాం మనం, what you will do, we don't want the knowledge of the behavior of molecules. We don't require it. Okay. But in statistical thermodynamics, we need each and every minute detail of the molecule, right, to study thermodynamics. Next, see. Macroscopic observations are completely independent of the assumptions regarding the nature of matter. Same thing, same point. The previous point and this point is also similar. Okay, and microscopic observations are completely dependent on the assumptions. We will assume some points in statistical thermodynamics. We'll go by that. But in classical thermodynamics, we don't require the assumptions of molecular particles. Okay. And these are the last points. In classical thermodynamics study, so the analysis of macroscopic system requires simple mathematical formula. But in statistical, you will be, statistical means you require most sophisticated tools to calculate the each and every property of the molecules. Okay. Next. Same thing. Simple mathematical formula means you need only few properties, right? Statistical means you need more properties in order to calculate the properties of the molecules at microscopic approach. Okay. So this approach is complicated. You all know, complicated. Statistical thermodynamics, the approach is complicated. Classical means it is quite simple because we are using mathematical formula, and for that we require only few properties. Okay. And the changes in properties can be felt by our senses. At this point, you just analyze this point. The changes in properties can be felt by our senses. How can you explain this line? Suppose in your room, suppose the temperature has increased drastically. What you will feel? What you will feel if the temperature or pressure in your room has suddenly increased? What happens? You will feel uncomfortable, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That means you are sensing the change in the property of your room. That means pressure you can feel, change in pressure you can feel, temperature you can feel. That means your room is a macroscopic level, right? That is not a small, it is not at microscopic level, it is a macroscopic, right? That means macroscopic approach, the properties change, you can sense. Come to microscopic level. Suppose in your room, just take one molecule. You can't find out one molecule at one place, but by difficulty you just found out one particle, right? If the temperature of that particle has increased, can you feel it? Is it possible for you to sense the increase in temperature of that molecule by your senses, like your hand or your whatever it is? Can you sense it? Is it possible? What my question?
Ma'am, question not understood, ma'am.
Okay. Classical thermodynamics. For that example was you understood, right? The change in temperature.
Is it
Okay. Come to statistical thermodynamics. Statistical means micro level, right? Micro level means molecules
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
there. Molecules means gas molecules. For example, in your room, so many gas molecules are there, air molecules are there. Suddenly, case is temperature has increased. That means temperature of each and every molecule has increased. right? Just pick one molecule. Can you sense the temperature of that molecule? Increase in the temperature of that molecule. Can you sense? Can you feel that?
Yes, ma'am.
Feel the temperature.
Yes, ma'am. One molecule we
One
can sense.
molecule,
ma'am.
one air molecule. Can you sense it? Is it practically possible?
Why not?
Hmm? One air molecule. Can you pick it up and can be
No,
sensed?
ma'am.
No, right? Right. So you can't sense the change in temperature of molecules. I mean, change in properties of molecules in statistical thermodynamics. That means in microscopic level. Microscopic approach, you can't sense. You can't sense what? Change in the properties of molecules. That is very
Yes, ma'am.
important. Okay. Examples are there here. Examples, pressure, temperature are for macroscopic approach. You can sense the pressure at macro level and you can sense the temperature at macro level, but you can't sense the velocity, momentum, kinetic energy, etc. at microscopic level. I'm saying at microscopic level. In macro level you can sense, but at micro level you can't sense even the pressure, even the temperature also. Okay, got my point? Any doubts here? Up to here, classical, what is classical thermodynamics, what is statistical thermodynamics, and what is thermodynamics? And here, how you will study energy and its transformation, you will be learning in next classes. Till now, any doubts?
Mm,
Any doubts regarding notes,
No.
regarding
No,
PPT,
ma'am.
or regarding assignments, regarding attendance? Any doubts?
atten- attendance, ma'am.
That will be taken by CR, our CR. Any doubts?
What about first year exams, sir?
First year exams. Till now, there is no news about exams, but you have promoted by default. You are not having any exams. But in case uh, after coming to the college, there is a chance that our college will conduct exams. But just prepare your subjects, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts? And every week you will be having one assignment containing one problem that can be theoretical or practical. And I will be sending notes also, PDF, PPT, and one book you have to get it, Steam Tables. Steam
Notes.
Tables by SC Jain. Write down this book, Steam Tables by SC Jain. Notes. You're talking about notes. Someone?
No, ma'am.
Iqbal.
You told that we should have a book now. I think notes are something
No.
else.
It is not. It is. It contains steam tables. Steam tables means the properties, pressure, temperature at different values. There are properties of saturated steam, superheated steam, like that. It is there. You need that book. Small book. It cost around 60 to 70 rupees. That's it. Okay. Okay. I'm running out of time, so be safe, everyone. Take
Ma'am,
care.
what about attendance, ma'am?
What about
Attendance.
Attendance.
attendance? CR,
The Shiva will take it down and send to the ma'am.
Right. I am also